Show Papa B, where's the pedals be? That one there. Cicej, tell me what about the electric vehicle be? Show that to ka mama. Doesn't have a engine? Show there in the front be that there's no engine. What? Where's the engine there? There's no engine, right? Yeah. Huh?
Let's go check out the back.
The back? What's in the back? The battery? Nothing. Nothing. What about the wheels?
Solid almost on the rock.
Yeah. What about the back seat? Can you open the back seat? What's in the back seat, man? In the front. Tell Papa what happened in the front here, oh? In the front seat, oh. What's that there, oh? That one, what's that there? There, oh? What's that, oh? Is that a tablet for playing Roblox? See? See? Well, you play Roblox while driving?
Let's not.
What's the name of this car, Gani? Show Papa what's the name of this car. Nanobox. Like. Like. Huh? Nanobox. Like that? Ah. Nanobox. That's ADI. I thought Nanobox. That's ADI.
This just opened, right?
Yeah. That's the outlet there. And where's the engine, man?
There's no engine.
Why?
It just has no engine.
Really?
Yeah.
Like Tesla? There's no engine there, Tesla there.
Electric stuff.
Hmm? What? There's no engine. Amazing, right? But there's a lot of wiring.
I hope Nafis doesn't go in there. There's no exhaust.
Huh?
There's no exhaust.
There's no exhaust? The exhaust in the back, man.
Yeah.
Look at there though, if there's no exhaust.
I saw.
How much is it, man?
Peso. 938,000 or billion.
38,000? That's a lot of money.
Look.
That's a lot of money.
5 years.
5 year what? 5 year?
4 more.
Nanobox. Let's go na? Let's find another car? Bro, there are other car mo. What?
Hanap niya,